The celestial sphere is an early astronomical tool developed in part by the minds of Plato, Aristotle, and Copernicus. It was designed using incredible math to predict what stars will be overhead at any given point in any given day.
This was useful back then to monitor planting seasons, as well as to study the heavens and learn about the pale blue dot we live on.
In order to understand the usefulness of the sphere, we need to understand its parts. So, there's first on the outside a clear sphere, which we'll call the outer sphere, which has stars, constellations. There is a line with dates, and most importantly, the North Star, which is what we will be going for later on. Inside, there is a globe, which we'll call the inner globe, that looks just like the Earth. Surrounding that is a horizon ring. On the horizon ring, the two important parts, there's a gap in between the blue horizon ring and an arrow on the opposite side. Now, in between the outer clear sphere and the inner globe, there is a sun ring which can be moved with this black dial, and that is just how the sun moves on the Earth from the Earth's perspective. So to start learning, you need to pick a spot on the globe that you want to study. So we will pick Montana and move the globe and the sphere, the globe, so that the place on the globe falls in between the gap of the horizon ring. Next, you look through the globe, reading the words and the stars on the opposite side, and aim the arrow of the horizon ring at the latitude that corresponds with the location that you're studying. So for Montana, in Red Lodge, we will have 45 degrees. With the globe and the horizon ring lined up at your latitude with your position in between the gap of the horizon ring, now you must pick a date of which you would like to study. So that you use the dial for the sun ring, and if you notice when spinning it, it follows the path that has different dates turning. So you spin the sun to a desired date. We will pick March 25th. Alright, so at March 25th, and then you can set it on the stand with the arrow of the horizon ring points north, and you'll notice on the stand there's a taller leg, which signifies the north end of the stand. So if you place it with the horizon ring parallel to the table or surface you're setting on, that is how it should be situated on that date.
We're going to pick up the globe, and so we can get our time of day. And so doing that, we will spin the Earth as well as the horizon ring by using the black dial on the bottom. And you spin the Earth and the horizon ring until the gap in the horizon ring and your location on the Earth is lined up with the sun. And this will also indicate 12 noon for the time. Okay, now to set your desired precise time, you want to move the Earth and the horizon ring counterclockwise, and so you'd move the black dial on the bottom of the globe to the left, and now each longitudinal line on the outside of the sphere will indicate 1 hour, and since we're moving the Earth and horizon ring counterclockwise, that will be 1 hour in the morning, so we're moving into the AM hours from 12 noon. Okay, so next, after you've set your desired time, and in our case, it will be 6 a.m. we have chosen, and you can see that the sun right here is just about to rise. It's just right below the horizon ring. And so now, to see what constellations and stars are out at your desired time and location, you look behind the horizon ring, and everything above the horizon ring will be what you will be seeing at that point in time.